Hello and welcome to our practical guide to legal spend management. Today we talk about legal analytics. My name is Sylvia Hodges-Silverstein and I'm talking with Vince Vetri. Vince, thank you for taking the time to talk about legal analytics with me. Can you explain how data can be used to select and implement strategic initiatives?
Hi, Sylvia. Thanks for having me. As we begin to clean and consolidate our data, we can analyze relevant historical information that will provide useful analytics about prior initiatives. So supported by strong underlying information, we can begin to gain knowledge that we will use to inform future decisions, targets, and goals. Finally, we can derive wisdom from our initial data points, as well as the new information and knowledge that we've gathered to better understand why initiatives were successful and to make informed, data-driven decisions about future initiatives.
You mentioned that the first step is to move from data to information. What are some of the common areas of legal spend analytics that clients should focus on to gain visibility that's sufficient to begin making decisions?
Yeah, the key is to understand that anyone with data can begin to harness and convert it into information. Some common areas to focus on at first are legal spend trending analytics to better understand what you're spending, weighted average build rates and staffing leverage to obtain information about what you're paying your vendors and how efficiently they're managing your matters. And then finally, there are metrics related to billing compliance that help to provide additional information about what activities your vendors are billing you for.
So once a client has this basis of information, how can they begin to make knowledgeable and informed decisions about how best to manage their legal spend and select future initiatives?
So once your law department has achieved data visibility and an understanding of prior spend activity, you can begin to use your historical analytics to select, identify, and prioritize future legal spend initiatives. Many of the legal spend management initiatives discussed in the Buying Legal Primer can be selected and justified through the analysis of your historical data. So for example, if you've noticed a significantly high percentage of potential billing compliance issues, you'll most likely focus on implementing legal invoice review. Likewise, if your analytics related to timekeeper rates, staffing, and turnover are concerning to you, you may focus on rate and timekeeper management. Or you might notice that a high number of vendors you're paying is making it difficult to control spend. So you may use that information to create a preferred provider panel. Once you can effectively measure your data to inform knowledgeable decisions, you can begin to learn from your data to better manage current vendor relationships and begin entirely new processes of selecting and managing new vendors.
Thank you very much, Vince, and thank you for listening. To learn more about legal analytics, please download the Legal Spend Management Primer at buyinglegal.com/LSM. Thank you very much.